Bum's on a boat here.
What's up, guys?
We're not on a boat.
No, we're on a couch.
Don't tell Uma.
It's not our couch. We didn't buy it.
We don't own it. We didn't buy it. That's true. We're off the hook.
We're just here freeloading on my sister's couch.
Hey, we're bums, not freeloaders.
All right, Joel mowed the lawn once or twice. We do dishes. But anyway, we're here today because we've got two exciting announcements to share with you.
Come on, old girl. You got it. Let's go. This is our dog Lola. She's almost 3 years old, and she's born on a boat. We moved her onto the boat when she was about 1 month old. So she's used to going to the beach to get her exercise, and she needs her exercise. So our first announcement was, look how cool this is. We found a way to get Lola exercise in the suburban lifestyle that is fun for both of us, extremely difficult for old Lola, old girl. Pulling me up the hills, it's a good workout. And we both feel good about ourselves after that.
The second big announcement that we have is that we sailed our boat 620 miles to Grenada with this little girl right here. She came with us. And we filmed 5 separate episodes of that experience. It was about 6 days offshore. It was the biggest, most challenging, most worthwhile thing that we've ever done. And we've decided to condense those 5 episodes into a single movie. Going to be about 30 minutes long, and we decided how fun would it be to host a live Zoom meeting with you where we all watch this movie together and then we interact live after the fact to share what we learned, to answer any questions that you have about that experience, and share our excitement with you. Okay, so why are we doing this? We're doing this, number one, because it was such a meaningful experience and we're really excited to share the whole thing with you. And number two, we're looking for a way to raise money for DCDR. So this event is also a fundraiser. A portion of proceeds are gonna go to the volunteer organization that helped save Lola's life and countless others, Dogs and Cats of the Dominican Republic. They have a sanctuary based in Luperon where we volunteered many times. And we've met so many people through the years who are so impressed by Lola, how well trained she is, how sweet she is, how beautiful she is. And we just want to spread awareness that there are tons of dogs just like her that need to go to good homes, and really big-hearted volunteers doing such hard work to look out for these animals.
Let's get down to brass tacks.
Okay, time to talk business. How do you sign up for this event? There are 2 different ways. The first is through PayPal. There's a donate link in the description of this video. You click that link, you pay $29.95, and we email you the private invite to this live premiere.
Option 2, you can become a patron. All of our patrons get free access to our live events, from a $2 pledge to a $25 pledge, any amount. So if you sign up to become a patron, you'll get access to the live event. Now, yes, you could technically sign up, go to the live event, and then delete your pledge and do it for free if you can live with yourself.
We're willing to take that
We didn't
risk.
see a way around that one. So we're just, if you can live with yourself and you want to do that, go ahead, sign up, then delete it right away.
But I'm willing to bet that you're going to really enjoy being part of our patron community with all of the interaction and value-added content that you're going to want to stick around for a while.
All right, we'll see you at the live event.
Okay, last thing that you need to know, when's it going to be?
Oh, they should probably know that.
They should probably know that, huh? Because you're going to want to mark your calendar, okay? So get those notepads out. It's August 27th, 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time.
1 hour.
That's right.
You got 1 hour on a Friday evening. I think we picked a good day.
I think so.
Yeah.
All right,
Hope
tell
to
us
see you
how
there.
excited you are in the comments. If you have any other questions, reach out, send us a message, and we cannot wait.
The most epic sale of all time, guys. Come on.
Let's go, baby.
For us. You know, baby steps. Caribbean Sea.
Until the next one.
Yeah.
We've got lots more sales coming
It was
up.
crazy, guys.